Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to manually save. I mean, it's not manually save, at least just it will be a auto save. Okay, so how to do that? So wherever you see this, right? Okay, this reading stone. So just press this circle button and here you can choose the suspend game. Suspend a game will save your progress in Valhalla and return you to the main menu. Okay, so I'm saving it. So now I'm on the home screen. Now I'm going to tap this Valhalla again and then continue. So it will be starting where you left the game. See? So this is called auto save your progress in God of War Ragnarok. So I'm going to press this circle button now and then tap suspend game. Suspending game will save your progress. Super cool. So that's it, friends. So this is the way you can save the game in Valhalla. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can save the game in God of War Ragnarok Valhalla. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.